What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy the Clouded Barber, back at it with another video. Before I start, shout out to my homeboy Sean Cuts Hair. Check him out on Instagram, check him out on YouTube. Bomb Barber, Kentucky. Hands up, represent. What's up, baby? Now let's begin. I'm going to be unboxing and doing a review today on the Professional Barber Scissor and Shear Set by Shearguru. Shearguru. Now the reason why I picked these up was because I have Mizutani shears, and to be specific, I have the ACRO Type Ks and the Schorem Master Thinning Shears. Bomb shears, love them to death. Had to send them to go get sharpened. By the time they said that we could go back to work, I realized I wasn't going to have them in time due to a holdup at the postal office, etc, etc. I had to go and find myself a good set of thinning shears and regular shears. So what I went on Amazon just like anybody else would do. And what did I find? These bad boys right here. Let's get into the video, guys, and I'll give you my true opinion on these, whether they're good or not and whether I recommend them, okay? So stay tuned and let's get to this video. Alright guys, so here we are with the Professional Barber Scissors and Shear Set by Shearguru. Cut like a pro and feel the confidence. Shearguru. Alright, the evolution of grooming, creating quality products with you in mind. Alright, they got a little thing here saying, you know, if you're not satisfied, they'll give you your money back, no questions asked. And if you have any questions, email them at shearguru@yahoo.com. Now, when I first originally received the box, I was like, and I opened it up, I was like, this is cardboard, this is garbage. Wait till we go inside. Woo, boy, look at that. It's like this nice case. It's like it's definitely not a leather, but it's like a pleather of some sort. Is it a leather? No, I think it actually is leather. It's a very nice presentation. It's got the nice logo on it. Nothing on the back. It's zippered case. Beautiful. Let's get into the case, guys. So what we got here, when we open it up, is we have a Shearguru shear cleaner, I guess. Something similar to what you clean your eyeglasses with. So they give you a nice thank you card. They appreciate us with a little appreciation speech here, which is beautiful. Hospitality on point. Another card basically saying how Shearguru started and where they got to now. And if you're ever interested in nail, premium clippers and luxury tweezers and stuff. I got beautiful nails, so I don't really need that. Look at that, beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous? Woo. $45 off Amazon. I couldn't believe it. Wicked reviews, so I thought, you know what, let's give it a shot. Since my Mizutani shears are in LA somewhere getting sharpened, I'm gonna pull out the regular shears. Alright, there are the regular shears, and then we're gonna pull out the thinners or texturizer shears, whatever you guys like to call them. There are various names for them. Regular shears, these are both 6.5 inch. They're both offset. As you notice, they're not equal, so it's a little more comfortable in the hand, more of a natural hold, which is what I prefer. Some people like when this and this are even. I don't, so this works out perfectly for me. So the blade is very, very sharp. That's the first thing I test. First thing I tested when I got them. Just rub your finger on them very, very gently. Very sharp, very sharp. Got a nice little, I'm assuming this is copper, tension screw. I've already adjusted my tension. And basically how you do that is you hold them up and you drop this down here with this pinky thing, all right? And you put that up in the air like that and you drop it. And this is supposed to come down to about here and stop when you let it go. And if you have that much space in between two tips, then you're adjusted properly. And guys, I just listen to that. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And it's so smooth. It's so smooth. It's not like, I've heard a lot of reviews about other shears where people will use them, even with the thinners too, or the texturizing shears. They'll use them and they'll close and they'll stop here. And then you gotta kind of like jerk it forward and then it'll close. So to me, that's a no-go. As soon as I see comments like that, I'm going nowhere near those scissors. Yeah, these are beautiful scissors, guys. They're very nice looking, very elegant looking. They're not in your face all flashy. I see them, I look at them, I think, okay, these would get the job done for sure. They definitely do not have super pointed tips, but still good enough for point cutting if you have to. So those are the shears. The thinning shears, texturizing shears, whatever you want to call them. Same thing, they are offset, they're not even, just the way I like it. You got your little pinky holder, got your adjustable tension screw here with the copper, I'm assuming. Like I said, teeth are very sharp. Usually I check the other side just to tell if they've been used or not, or to see how they've been produced, because sometimes on cheap pairs of scissors you'll feel that these teeth here have actually grinded into the cutting blade, and you can feel these teeth dug in here. You could feel them, but on here I don't feel anything. Very sharp, beautiful, love them. They sound, listen to that. That is basically the Shearguru 6.5 thinning shear, regular shear. Now let's go up above and talk a little more about it, and I'll give you my thoughts and whether I recommend them or not. All right guys, so we're back up above. So my honest opinion about these scissors. Honest opinion, for 45 bucks Canadian, they're pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. Here's some footage that I've included of me cutting. As you can see, they're cutting pretty damn good. It's cutting like butter, guys. As far as longevity though, I'm not sure how long they're gonna last. I mean, I just got them a week or two ago. I'm not sure how long they're gonna last, to be absolutely honest with you. But I can tell you right now, for 45 bucks, guys, these are definitely a go. Shearguru killed these scissors, man. So if you're just getting into barbering and you want some good scissors, and say you're like at barbering school and the scissors they gave you suck, guys, these are scissors you want to pick up and learn on. I'll leave a link in the description below to get those scissors, and yeah guys, we'll see you on the next video, guys.